Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix side button and power button not working on any iPhone. Now, sometimes this problem appears when you use a hard case on your iPhone. Just remove your iPhone's case and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now also check if there are any dust or debris on your iPhone's buttons. Now, if there are any dust or debris, just clean them using a soft cloth. Now, after that, just restart your iPhone and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, to do that, just open Settings, then go to General. Now, at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of Shutdown. Now, from here, just tap on Shutdown. Now, just slide to Power Off. Now, once you do that, now just wait for a few seconds. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone and check if it restarts your iPhone or not. Now, if the side button on your iPhone is still not working, and if it cannot restart your iPhone, just plug in your iPhone to the charger to restart your iPhone. Just like that. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go to Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update and check if there is any software update available on your iPhone. If there is any software update available, just update the software on your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, just open Settings, then go to General. Now, from here, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it and select Reset. Now, once you do that, a small pop-up will appear on the screen. Now, from here, just select Reset All Settings. Now, just enter your lock screen passcode. Now, just enter the passcode of the parental controls if it is set on your iPhone. Now, just select Reset All Settings, then tap on Reset All Settings. Now, once you do that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now, this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the side button on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. Now, for a temporary solution, just open Settings, then go to Accessibility. From here, just tap on Touch, then select AssistiveTouch. Now, just enable this toggle to enable AssistiveTouch on your iPhone. Now, the AssistiveTouch can do a few of the side button actions. For an example, if you tap on AssistiveTouch, you can go to Home Screen, and if you tap on Device, you can also go to the lock screen, just like that. And this is how you can fix side button and power button not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.